As you know already, he's a 100% faker, no doubt about it. Was brought here by the Freemasonry, 100%. All the people that you see in the spotlight that they basically put on, okay, they all Freemason puppets, no doubt about it. And this one right here is a big old example, fooling the black people 100%. Now, let's get into this one with the speech. Break him down, let him tell you about Freemasonry right here. Let's go.
Did you know that 56 signers of the Declaration of Independence were Freemasons?
Bam. Hold on. Okay. He said 56. You will know that's number 11. And this one right here ain't never tell you no truth. That's what you gotta understand. All these fake guys right here, they put on the masses, these fake characters, all they give you is a half a truth, a piece of truth just to tease you up. But they all fake. As you can see him right here, telling another lie to the masses. Let's listen again.
Signers. Did you know that 56 signers of the Declaration of Independence were Freemasons? I'm going into your secrets for a minute.
You can tell when these guys up to no fucking good, all they do is lie to the masses. You can tell by his reaction before he said Freemasonry, okay? Listen.
Not you, Black Mason and Shriner.
So you see, that's what I tell you about this guy right here, Louis Farrakhan. He's nothing but a divider. That's why they put him there, to divide and conquer the people, okay? Now he want to separate the black Freemason from the white Freemason. Get the fuck out of here. They all the same people working for the devil, 100%, and you better believe me. They all the same. They don't give a fuck about color. They want you to fight the dumb sheeps that's on the ground. That's what it is, no doubt about it.
You don't have any secret.
The white Masons and Shriners is the ones with the secret, but not the black ones. Get the fuck out of here. They all the same people, 100%. Take the same pledge against the masses right here.
It's the white Masons and Shriners that we're going to expose in a minute. Now listen to this. At least 9 of the...
Bam! Right there. You using number 9, which is all satanic. And he basically tell you that it's 9 of them. First he said 56 of them is Freemasonry. Now we go saying that 9 of them out of there is Freemason. It's bullshit. 100%. And you can see a guy right here doing the one-eye symbol right there. That's what it's there for. No doubt about it. They know all the camera angle is. They're doing that one-eye symbol, shouting out to the one-eye God right here with this Farrakhan. Bam!
56 signers of the Declaration of Independence were Freemasons. George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, James Monroe, John Jay, John Hancock, Paul Revere, John Paul Jones, and James Otis. Later on in 1870, out of Freemasonry came a higher order of Masons called the Shriners. Now the difference between Masons and Shriners is that to be a Shriner, you must be a Master Mason in good standing. Now those of you who don't know
what he said, notice the word he's saying, good standing. That's why this one right here doing the work for them 100%. That's why he's in, to trick the black people, no doubt about it. People need to wake up on this Farrakhan right here. It's a 100% deceiver, no doubt about it.
Anything about this, just hold your seats. I'll get back to you in a second. A Shriner...
Take a look at his hand sign, people. Take a look at his hand sign right there. That's the 36s he holding right there. They can't tell me no truth. These people are all deceivers working for the devil against the masses. Why all of them show the sign right there on the hand? Why? Somebody tell me why. It's the mark of the beast. They can't fool me. And this one, Louis Farrakhan, is a part of it. All to trick the dumb people right here.
Belongs to the ancient Arabic order of the nobles of the mystics.
There go the shit that they push right there. His so-called Elijah Muhammad. This is what they push right here on the masses. He gonna tell you what it mean in a minute. But I already know it's a damn Freemason logo right there. You don't care who wear it. It mean the same damn shit. Secret society right here. No doubt.
Time. Wait. What kind of language is that? And all their temples or mosques are named after cities like Mecca, Medina, Syria, Aleppo. These are all parts of the Muslim world. So Arabic is in their name to describe the nobles. And the
You
noble
can see him again, always doing the hand sign to show you that he's full of shit.
The nobles.
100%. That's what he's doing right there on the hand sign. That's the Illuminati pyramid. Don't ever trust this guy they call Farrakhan. All he talking out the mouth, 100% poison for the masses.
And a noble is a hereditary class that has special social political status in a country or state. And all white Shriners.
All he go spit to the masses is division, okay? White and black division, that's all you go get from Louis Farrakhan, Malcolm X, and all those puppets that they put on the people. 100%. They don't fight each other, okay? White people put this one on. That's what you gotta understand. So is Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Al Sharpton, all of them, Jesse Jackson. They all was put on by white people. What the fuck you think? Wake your ass up.
Have an exalted or noble political and social status in America and nations throughout the world. Now they talk about this mystic shrine, meaning that there's some mystery attached to the shrine itself.
Of course there's a mystery, because people don't understand that that star right there at the bottom represent the fallen angels 100%, and this big C right there that is sitting in, that's what it is, and the fucking devil right there in it, that's all it is, no doubt about it. 100% satanic. Once it's come from the Freemason, that's what you gotta understand. That's who they work for, the damn devil, master of deception.
And what is a shrine? It's a sacred place of worship associated with a holy person or a holy event. A container.
All Freemasonry to fuck with the masses. That's what their job is. That's what they're here for. And this one, Louis Farrakhan, is a part of it. People need to know that he's a fucking wolf in sheep clothing. Bam!
For sacred relics such as the bones of a saint, the tomb of a holy place, person, or other revered figure. Well,
All fucking black magic you hear come out of this one mouth. And a lot of people, when they watch Mad Truth, when I'm breaking down these people right here on these videos, they basically tell me to let them talk and play the video. No, this is the breakdown. When you come on the mag, no doubt about it, I break them down. They don't get no chance to spit the fucking poison on the people. If you want to see this video, go find it. No doubt about it. You're not going to get it here. All you get is breakdown.
who is the saint that is entombed in the shrine?
All devil people. That's what it is.
Who is that holy person?
My thing is, I don't like to see people reading off a script and showing emotion at the same time. That just show a fucking liar. That's just what it is. You're reading off a script all day. You acting like this shit coming from your own brain. Like I tell you people, all these puppets got to read off a script. They can't say what's coming from their heart. That's just what it is. 100%. Everything is paid for them. 100%. They put them on. Give them this paper right here that you're reading from to fool the fucking people.
Whose bones are in that shrine? It's not just the bones of an architect Solomon's temple. No, that's cheap stuff.
Even the person that you hear shouting in the background, it's all by design, 100%. And like I say, who is these two clowns standing in the back? It's all fucking bullshit.
What is entombed in the shrine are the bones of those
Check your
who
screen.
are connected to the originator, and with him are the architects of that which you call universe and all therein. Now, this holy person is now entombed in mystery, meaning that there's a secretive knowledge of that tomb that is only given to those who are master masons. These people are called Muslim Shriners or Muslim.
All he do is trying to confuse the masses, so you don't think that this one right here is a big old Freemasonry. Right here, no doubt about it. He signed, sold his soul out, and he fooling the masses. Okay? All he do is doing his job right here, tricking the people. They put him on. That's what you gotta understand. None of these people right here wouldn't get mentioned unless they are part of the fucking system, which is the Freemason shit, the New World Order. This one right here, knee deep in it.
Sons. We get a question in our lesson. Why does Muhammad make the devil study from 35 to 50 years?
He talking about Muhammad. He said, do the devil work. You listen what he say again.
5 to 50 years. 5 to 50 or Muslim sons. We get a question in our lesson. Why does Muhammad make the devil study from 35 to 50 years?
35 to 50 years, he make the devil study. And this is the one they follow right here. Malcolm X, all of them praises Elijah Muhammad. He's nothing but a satanic puppet. That's what you gotta know right here.
Before he can call himself a Muslim son and wear the greatest and only flag of the universe, why must he add a sword on the upper part? Oh, yeah, there. But make it big, man. Let the people see what I'm talking about.
This is what they're pushing on the people. It's no different. It's just a fucking Freemason logo. That's what you gotta understand. The star to represent the fallen angels. That's what it's there for. And that's all you know. It's a Freemason fucking logo right here.
Now you have to remember this question is put to us by Master Farad Muhammad. And if you notice all the
Why do they call him Master Muhammad? Why? Because he's a master mason. That's what it is. No doubt about it. Master for who? Wake your ass up, people. Bang.
China temples, you see that crescent? That star with a sword over it. You think they don't know Islam?
Tell us what the star stands for. Tell us what the star means.
Well, now, if you look at this, this sword is over it, meaning that any time that any Shriner reveals the secret of what's in that tomb, they would pay with their lives.
But you won't tell us what the star means, but you're talking about the sword. I'll tell you, people. Deception, deception, deception. That's all you go get from these fake people. No doubt about it.
Well, what is the secret of the ancient Arabic order of the noble of the mystic shrine? It is you. It is your destiny. It is your future. It is your origin that has been kept a secret from you, but was known by the founding fathers of this country and known